Hello there and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to layer different Ecotope instances and also how to use path curves to control your scattering. So here I have some proxy geo to scatter the grass and plants. But in order to control where both instances meet, I need to create some path curves from the mesh. Let's convert the edges of the mesh to curves. Here I have some grass and plants that we'll be using. Now open Ecotope, add the surface mesh, select the grass meshes and edit as scatter meshes, and finally add the curves as path curves. Playing with the path radius, you can control the grass limits, so we can later add some plants around the path. Let's add some initial density and scale. It's also important to add some random spin to the scatter meshes so they don't have the same rotation. Now add a new instance, selecting again the same surface mesh, with the remaining plants as scatter meshes. Also connect the path curves. This time we want to disable the invert path attribute so they go around the grass. As you can see, if we tweak the path radius, we can control how far the plants will go inside the surface shape. Let's add some noise to both instances so they look a bit more random. Just changing a bit the density and scale, and let's do a quick render to see how it looks. It's not looking bad, but the plants around the grass are looking a bit too uniform, so let's change some settings in the scattering tool. And what we need to change mainly is the random spin attribute, which will give the plant some random rotation. Let's save the previous image and do a new render to compare. And as you can see, the random spin gives it a more natural look. Here I'm just playing a bit with all the attributes we covered before, mainly changing the noise and density. Let's do a final render to finish this video. And this is it for now. This tool will have a major update later this month, so hopefully it will solve some bugs and support recent versions of Maya. As I'm learning to use this tool, I will share here in the channel. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, see you next time. Bye bye.